Hello people, I hope you all are doing great. Welcome to our channel, and in this video we are going to learn about how to call stored procedure in our Talend, okay, through MySQL. Same thing you can relate with Oracle also. That's why I'm choosing MySQL. Now before that, I have a table, okay. I have a table that is your customers table, okay. Let me show you first the table, and today I'm going to tell you something interesting if you are not aware. Okay, so this is my table, and we have multiple number of columns, and my requirement is that I only want few columns from here, like customer number, name, and phone number, city, state, okay, and country. Okay, with that, I only want that records whose country is USA. Okay, so this is my requirement. So I thought, why not to call a stored procedure and just call that procedure whenever I need. Okay, so for that I'm going to this is my requirement. Okay, now before that, what is the syntax of writing stored procedure? Do you know? If you don't know, let me tell you. First of all, delimiter and then space, backslashes, double, and then you create procedure. This is a keyword. We are creating the stored procedure. That's why procedure. If we want to create table, then we write create table. Similarly, here also, and your respective procedure name with your method brackets. Now begin and end, and in between these, you need to write your query. My query is that please extract name, number, city, phone, and country from customer table where country should be USA. Okay, and I ended this. So I hope this is clear. And now after ending this, we write it delimited and the semicolons after spacing. Do you know why after delimiter we use this backslashes and here also? Let me tell you this. This is very interesting point. You know that whenever no whenever we need to execute a statement, then we need to terminate it by semicolon, right? See, it got terminated, right? But suppose, okay, let's just suppose we have a multiple lines here, okay, multiple lines here. So if I write here semicolon, it will not read everything as a single command, single query. It will treat into multiple query. So that's why by using delimiter keyword, we change our default delimiter. Our default delimiter is semicolon. Delimiter means which ends your terminates your statement, which separates your two statements. Okay, so by writing delimiter keyword and then space and then whatever you are just using here, that is your new delimiter. You have redefined your default from default to this one. So, you must have seen that somewhere it is written and. So basically, we are redefining our delimiter from semicolon to this backslashes, and we are ending till here. Okay, and after that, again we are using the same keyword, and then again we are changing from backslashes to this one. Okay, let me show you an example. See, right now it will execute, space, and then will it work or not? It will not work. But when I will execute both these statements together, first one, where I'm redefining my delimiter and then again using this, it got executed successfully. So this is the reason why we write in such a structure. Now coming back to stored procedure, after we written the stored procedure, we have if you want to call, then call keyword and then space and then your stored procedure name, just a name, and just run it. Okay, so your respective requirement here. Total record is 36 out of 122 records. So same thing I'm going to call into Talend. So let's get into video. First one, to call your stored procedures, always use tDBSP. Like if it is your MySQL, then tMySQLSP, right? This second one, all right? And if you want Oracle one, totally depends on your vendor. T Oracle SP, first you can see that the first only. So I hope this is clear, okay? Now, after having this component, you need to justify your connections, right? Now, in the SP name, you need to define your stored procedure name. It should be similar to your MySQL one. Okay, just copy and paste there. Now you want result, right? You want to print or you want to parse into your Talend job. So what I did, this is a, like I have done multiple scenario, but this is the best way I use stored procedure in my requirement. Create a custom column. Okay, this is a custom column created by myself, and its type is object. So always extract your data from stored procedure into object form. Okay, why? Let I will tell you. Okay, and second thing, after doing this, after adding your let me remove this. After adding your column, just click on this plus sign, and in type, when you change your column into object type, then always use this record set. Okay, now what I did, nothing. Okay, just I'm passing, no changes. You can see in my tparse record, this is a component that is used whenever you select your type as a record set, because this is an object type column. So in order to convert that object type from normal type, that is your string integer, we need to use this component. So if you see the schema, there is only one column that containing my all records in the form of object. Now this is very important part. Okay, now define your columns, your needed columns. Go to your store procedure. I need these 5 columns. Same name need to be provided here with their correct data type also. Okay, and same thing in the double inverted comma. Okay, nothing new. Okay, and now just run it. So there were 36 records which consist USA. So see, only one row pass it from this to this, and after using tparse record set, my 36 row generated. So this is the power of converting your column into object. So whole result just got into one object, and with the help of tparse record set, we convert that object into a desired form. See, every USA, USA, USA. Okay, so I hope this is clear. And this was without any argument. Okay, calling your stored procedure without any argument. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.